Happy Fujitsu Day! So I just want to remind everybody, we are here to celebrate our 84th birthday. In this case, it means giving back to our community, Richardson ISD. And in this case, especially near and dear to my heart is supporting STEM efforts. And STEM is really crucial in our society because scientists, technologists, engineers, and mathematicians really are the fuel for the digital age. The digital economy depends on these skills, and we need to develop more of these skills in our school systems. And we know if you can affect children, particularly at an early age, that we will empower and enable them to go and succeed in the future.